Hello everybody. So I've clickbaited you. I'm not actually unboxing a radio, I'm unboxing Supreme Walnut Brownie Mix. So yeah, let's start with that. Let's open the box now so we can look at our brownie mix that I got. Come on. Just kidding, it is a radio. So this is the Jensen, I forgot the model number. Where is it out on this? Okay, so this is the Jensen JCR-300. And I've never seen this thing before in my life, and yeah, we're going to be setting up, I guess, and seeing what the alert sound sounds like. So I'm gonna plug it in. So I got the cord thingy right here. I'm gonna plug it into my surge protector. Come on. There it is. Oh my god, that's horrible. I literally was just thinking, what if I plug this in, it's at full volume, and it starts doing something like that? Well, yeah, that kind of just happened. It sounds horrible. Okay. Oh, wait, there it is. Why is it silent? Hopefully these do not have, like, dead tuners or something. That'd suck. What is going on with this volume knob? Well, instead of actually working, it just keeps popping at me. So, it does not seem to be working. I'm being very slow with this, just in case it decides it's gonna work. It decides it's gonna fart, but not actually play the weather broadcast. Shut up, Apple Watch. Okay, well, it does not seem to be working. And maybe, if possible, I'll try to get the volume knob fixed, because that might be the issue. For now, does AM/FM work? Okay, that's a weird noise. Okay, well, I heard something. Okay, so I switch it to weather broadcast. Okay, I'm pretty sure these have, like, dead tuners or something, because this is not making any noise at all. It's just, like, going, instead of actually doing something. So it's either this radio is just very, very crappy, or its tuner's dead. So, well, I guess there's the unboxing and setup of the Jensen, JCR-300. Yeah, so that kind of failed. Goodbye. So an update on the radio. Turns out it did not have a dead tuner, or the, knob was broken or anything. The switch is messed up. But I got it working, and this is what it sounds like for some unknown reason. And I also got a capture of the alert tone, which I'll play now, I guess.